So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make these cinematic black bars on your video in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So inside of DaVinci Resolve here, to make these black bars, you could simply click on your clip and then come over here to cropping inside the inspector window. Then once you're here, you could simply mess around with the black bars, but this will only do it to one clip at a time. So my fix usually for this is to just use an adjustment clip, but there's a much faster way. Come up here to your top bar and select timeline. Then come all the way down here to output blanking. And this will give you all of your different anamorphic profiles with that amount of black bars that it would actually have. So if I select, let's say, an anamorphic D-squeeze of 2, you can see that I have that aspect ratio right there, and it applies it to my entire timeline with only one click. But if you want to reset it, come back up here to timeline, output blanking, and then come down here and select reset. So now it has taken off the black bars from your timeline, making it really simple to either activate it or deactivate it across all of your clips at once. So if this video is helpful, or maybe you liked it, go ahead and click on this one next, and I'll see you in the next one.